Hi there. I'm going to quickly show you how I made the shape keys for the eyebrow movement of this character. This is a game character elf to be used in Unreal Engine. And the beauty of using shape keys is they're very simple to set up and you can export them directly with the mesh into the game engine and they should work perfectly. You don't have to mess around with rigs and unpredictability of facial animations and the deformities that you get. Also, they're very light. If you have a character that has reasonably low poly, they're quite optimized, especially if you have a character that it doesn't need full facial animation, it just needs a couple of expressions. In this case, I'm going to make some eyebrow movements. So I've made a separate object for the eyebrows. Select the object in object mode. Then you need to go to the vertex tab, and inside there where the vertex groups are, you'll see there's a section for shape keys, which will be empty. When you push the plus button, you will see a basis key will automatically appear, and that is the default baseline for the position of all the vertices of the mesh. So all the shape keys will use that as a basis. So I want to add one shape key, and I'm going to name that brow up. You want a separate shape key for all the different specific movements. So I'm going to add a second one called brow tilt so I can have a bit more expression with the eyebrows. And you'll need to go into edit mode to now edit the vertices of that shape key. Okay, so all I need to do, go into my eyebrow tilt shape key, go into edit mode, set the maximum tilt, and then that's it. It's all done. So if I go into object mode now, I can find the slider underneath in the shape keys tab, and with that slider I can move it from its minimum to its maximum position, and it'll have a smooth transition from the basis to the shape key setting. Okay, and then I do the same with my eyebrow up to its maximum position, and that's it. It's already done. Hope this was useful for you guys. You can now go into Blender and go crazy making shape keys for all your game characters. Bye for now.